back to another episode of What Sold. We had some great sales over the last couple days. Not a lot, but they were good sales. We'll put it that way. Some good sales. So I'm going to do this a little bit differently now. We have a little bit different software we're using to edit videos. So instead of showing you, well, I'm going to show you a picture, but I can also still talk through it as you see the picture. So the first item you're going to see is the Humpty Dumpty pewter figure. As you know, I bought a lot of about between 40 and 50 pewter figures. I've only listed two so far. One was the Kermit one that sold for over $140, and this one sold for $15 plus shipping. So I really need to get these other ones listed. They're sitting in my death pile over there, so I need to get some pictures and get those listed up. Like I said before, all these have already been either packaged up and shipped, so I can't show you the actual item. That's why I'm showing you what it sold for. And the next item is a Oroflu. I don't even know how to pronounce it, and I'm not even going to try to butcher that name. But it was a controlled frizzing beauty elixir. Picked this up at a garage sale for $1. It sold for $9.99 plus shipping. Usually some hair care products and stuff like that, if you can find them cheap enough and if they're still brand new sealed, they will sell. So don't overlook that. The next lot was a lot of 9. They were frozen Funko Pops. It was all 9 different ones. I picked these up probably at least a year ago. We brought these for myself. My kids wanted them, and they kind of just said they didn't want them anymore. So we ended up actually buying 18. We ended up having 2 of each. We sold a set first when we first bought them, and then we actually kept a set. So this is the second set. It's gone. We have $3 into each figure, so we made probably almost a $25 profit on these ones. Next thing it sold was a Leapfrog LeapPad I'll try that again. Leapfrog LeapPad Pink Home Learning System. This had 7 books. I had the controller and everything. It was tested and works. I picked this up at the Goodwill bins, so I probably only have about $5 into it. I thought it was going to go for a little bit more, but hey, profit's profit. Next thing is the Las Vegas Golden Knights puck. As you know from my other What Sold videos, I still have a stash of pucks. It's getting lower and lower, but they're selling. So this one sold for $3.01 plus shipping. Next up was a Motorola cable modem. Got $7 plus shipping for this. I probably only have $1 into it. It was part of a bulk buy. Somebody was moving out of state, and I had to buy everything. So this was one of the things that was in there with it. Next up was a vintage Tupperware sugar and creamer flip top set. Yellow Harvest Gold. Yinzer mom found these. I don't know if she found these at a Goodwill or a yard sale. No, maybe an estate sale. Maybe an estate sale. We were pretty firm on this price. We got a couple lowball offers, and they finally sold for full asking price. They have the original lids on them and everything, so we knew they were hard to come by, so that's why we didn't want to go down. I think we paid 50 cents for these. 50 cents or $1 for both. Next up, jeans. Like I said in the past one, we had a stash of them, and I never got to list them. I finally got to list them, and they sold. So you're going to see a bunch of jeans in this one. Next up, Yankee Candle 2011 Thanksgiving shade topper. Picked this up in a local estate sale. Probably gonna have $1 or $2 into this too. Sold for $12.99 plus shipping. I think I have 2 more left, and I think it might be Christmas ones. Jeans, $26.99 plus shipping. These are brand new with tags. Mostly every one of my items is plus shipping. I normally do not offer free shipping anymore. Ran into some issues with that, so maybe I'll go into that deeper in another video, but most of the time now, it's always plus shipping. Next up, Vera Bradley Trinket Box. This was a cool little piece. I probably have 50 cents into it. This was part of the buy that person was moving out of state, so it was in that big lot. Next up is some piano lesson books. It was a lot of 4. This one sold for $8 plus $4.25 shipping. My kids were learning to play the piano. they didn't care for it. So we had some lesson books laying around. I figured, you know what, we'll get rid of them. So we didn't make much on those. Next up was a vintage red pistol rest, brand new in box. I actually picked this up in Ohio at a yard sale. I was out playing golf in Ohio a couple weeks ago, and they actually, there was a yard sale right next to the golf course, so I stopped and picked this up, paid $5 for it, got $12.50 plus shipping. Next up was Stratego, 50 Years Classic game. It was a 2-player game. It wasn't brand new. I don't think it was brand new. If it was, it wasn't played with much. Got 50 cents into this, 50 cents or $1, $9.24 plus shipping. I still have the Stratego 4-person game too available. Next up is the vintage Merriam Bondsman metal storage box. No keys. I had 2 of these. They were 2 different sizes, and this one actually sold 2 or 3 times, and the buyer canceled it both times, which is crazy. But so we got $10.99 plus shipping. Jeans, $15 plus shipping. Golf tees. This was part of the big buy I had from a store that actually a manager stopped me at and said, hey, we have some stuff. Do you want to look at it? So I did, and it was a bunch of golf stuff. So we have maybe 50 cents into this one, so $3.25 plus shipping. Jeans again, $16.99 plus shipping. More jeans. 2 of these I think went to the same buyer. It might have actually been this one. Let me double check. No, that's not. I think it was this one and maybe another one. Jeans. This pair went to the same buyer, but they paid it 2 different times and they shipped in 2 different packages. So, but that's okay because shipping would have been about the same. I think it was going to California anyway. So jeans get pretty heavy. That's why I usually try to fit them in a padded flat rate envelope. More jeans. Like I said, there's a lot of jeans in this one. That's why I'm not even staying on it. The $15.25, most of the prices are about the same. Another thing was the Lennox Fine Crystal water goblets. I bought a bunch of water goblets, champagne glasses, and wine glasses. All the champagne glasses sold last week. Now, all the water goblets sold today. $51.96 plus shipping. I think I paid either $40 or $50 for them all. So this pretty much paid for the lot. So the champagne glasses and the wine glasses are all straight profit. Now, before I started this video, I thought to myself, will I ever buy these again? Probably not. Unless I can get them for $2 or $3 a glass, and I can buy them in bulk to make it easier to list. These things are super, super fragile. I actually broke one of the champagne flutes while I was washing it. It was just sitting in the water and it broke. They are very fragile. I know I said it a couple times, but they are. So, but if you do see these, they do sell. They're not much money. A lot of times the people who are selling them want too much for them to where you can't make anything. So you really got to be picky about these. Even though, I mean, they're gold rimmed, they're fine crystal. They do sell if you can get them at the right price. So that's it for that. That's it for what sold. Something new we're going to try, and actually one of the Yinzer kids brought it up. In each video, if you comment below, if you have an eBay channel, if you have an eBay store, even if you just want a shout out, we are going to pick 1 or 2 comments per video to give a shout out in a future channel. Also, you can get a shout out in a future video if you send us a sticker. Our P.O. Box address is down below for our workbench over there. We started fixing it up some. We said, you know what, let's put some stickers on there. So, the shout out in this video is going to go to Yinzer Picker. I'm going to show his logo up here. He sent in a sticker for our workbench. We finally checked the P.O. Box. I want to thank him for sending out a sticker to us. It is on there right below Cincinnati Picker and Commonwealth Flipper. So, go check him out. I know he's getting close to 1,000 subs. So, I think he might have been, or maybe he was close to 900. He's getting up there though. So, go check him out. Also, hit the like, share, and subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed already. We are getting up there. We're close to 160 now. I think that's the time I'm editing this video. Also, make sure you hit that bell notification because we are going to do some random giveaways. We actually have another camera to give away here soon, like we gave away in the last giveaway. So we're going to give away another camera, and we may also give away some other random stuff as time goes on. Not just when we hit certain subscribers. The 500 subscriber giveaway will be a nice one, and also the 1,000. But there'll be some random giveaways in between. So hopefully you guys are having a great week. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and healthy, and hopefully you guys are just enjoying this nice weather, at least where we're at. So until next time, guys, keep picking. Bye.